just wanted to the Hollywell
I'd like to introduce you to our Police Prize Commissioner.
Afternoon, everybody. I've met some of you before, haven't I? In Flint. Last year. Hi, it's Andrew Dunbobbin here, Police and Crime Commissioner for North Wales. So today I'm at Hollywell Football Club. See many people here attending a really well organised event provided by Sue Wynn, who does so much good in supporting our dementia communities, dementia friends here across Flintshire. What I'm pleased about today is what we've been speaking to some of the old people here, some elected members as well from Hollywell Town Council and Flintshire County Council, officers here from Flintshire County Council as well as representation from the Old People's Commissioner as well from Cardiff. So some really meaningful conversations here, making sure that we're doing our part in supporting our elder people in our communities. So really been a fantastic day here. Diolch. What I'd like to say is I want everybody to give Sue a massive round of applause for everything that she's done for today and what she's done in the past as well, in organising all these events for everybody. So can we all put our hands together for Sue, please?